Albarrie Engineered Services, a cost-effective, revolutionary option for you to avoid expensive filter bag replacement costs. Albarrie Engineered Services offers a high-efficiency cleaning, HEC performed in situ inside your baghouse. No removal of the filter bag is required. This is a demonstration of the average pulse cleaning, which produces disappointing results, ultimately leaving behind excess volumes of particulate on the filter bag. The LD Mobile Permeability Testing Tool can immediately evaluate the airflow restriction before and after a high-efficiency cleaning. This is a demonstration of Albarrie's high-efficiency cleaning mechanism, which will produce outstanding results guaranteed, ultimately allowing you to reconsider filter bag replacement. Notice the difference. This high-efficiency cleaning is performed in situ, inside your fabric filter unit. No removal of the filter bag or cage is required. This high-efficiency cleaning will lower differential pressure, improve and equalize airflow, increase production, and reduce power consumption. These results are substantial dollar savings for your company. Pre-qualified results are charted to reveal the degree of success you can expect. This allows us to guarantee results. At Albarrie, our laboratory capabilities include filtration fabric and filter bag analysis, air and liquid filtration testing and recommendations, fabric permeability, fabric weights, fabric strengths, pH values, cross-sectional examination, particle penetration, fabric degradation, used bag analysis, flue gas analysis, oxygen concentration, SOx concentration, NOx concentration, humidity, dust analysis, macroscopic dust properties, microscopic analysis of dust structure with microphotographs, moisture content, chemical elements analysis of the dust, pH, particle size distribution, cross-sectional examination. Via microscopic photos of filter fabric reveals the penetration level of particulate. On-site, Albarrie Engineered Services, high-efficiency cleaning. Inside your collector, our team will measure pressure and airflow with the LD Mobile prior to cleaning so results can be analyzed. 5 separate airflow and pressure readings are taken to ensure accuracy of data. The high-efficiency cleaning unit blasts each filter bag individually, obtaining remarkable airflow results. The cleaning will also identify those filters that may be in physically degraded condition. Once the HEC has been performed, follow-up results are again obtained by using the LD Mobile Permeability Testing Tool to quantify the measurable improvements. Albarrie Engineered Services high-efficiency cleaning has achieved 100% success and can provide you with substantial savings in production and maintenance costs.